How you doing, everyone? My name's Angel Roman, giving you my feedback with my hair transplant in Istanbul. I was a little nervous in the beginning, in the flight over here, going to a place where you know nothing of, but everyone treated me very nice. As soon as I get to the airport, Mr. Amir was there, very detailed. You know, he met him in gate 9. He gave me, there was no internet connection, but before, he gave me a brief, detailed message stating exactly where he would be. Was not lost at all. As soon as I got here, it was not lost. He escorted me everywhere. Anything that I needed, he took care of me. Istanbul, beautiful. The food was great. Loved it. Traveling, it was a lot of different experiences. A lot of nice places, a lot of sightseeing. You'll have fun. And get to the hospital. Dr. CAYMAZ, very detailed in his work. He will make you feel very comfortable. Any questions, he will answer to you right away. Very firm, nice hand. Hey, no pain, no anything with the surgery. I would say most uncomfortable thing about everything was maybe just laying down for a couple hours. If you can get through that, you can get through the whole surgery. Dr. CAYMAZ, very friendly. Anything you need, he'll give it to you. Any details, slow down, stop, this, that. Whatever you want at your pace, you do your surgery at your pace. If you're nervous, you want to back off for a good 20 minutes, they're very patient with you. After, hair wash, PRP treatment was great, painless PRP. I was scared of the needles afterward, no pain at all. And now, back to the airport, everybody's here. Mr. Amir, he's gonna take me back to the airport. He's gonna show me around a little bit and, you know, just hang out with him. He made me feel very comfortable. And back to the United States. I loved it, loved my experience, and I suggest if you're thinking about a hair transplant, you basically live once, go for it. Give Dr. CAYMAZ a call. He is very informative and he will take care of you. Thank you.